Hey, listen up because what I'm about to share with you will completely transform how your business handles everything related to how you pick up and answer the phone from customers. Because Go High Level just dropped their most insane feature yet. And I've been tracking a lot of the changes that they've been making all year, especially and anything really in the AI industry. But this feature that they just launched called AI Employees is completely going to change the game. And what we've done is we've integrated it directly into our LeadStorm AI platform. So I'm going to show you exactly how this is going to save businesses like yours tens of thousands of dollars while multiplying your revenue potential. But first of all, before I do that, I'm going to hit you with some cold hard facts that should terrify really any business owner. Did you know that the average business misses 62% of their incoming phone calls? And each and every phone call, that's money left on the table. Like that is revenue out the door. Because you and I both know when I call a business and they don't pick up the phone, I may try one more time, but I'm probably going to go to the next business and give them a phone call. So if you do the math and you're missing, say, 3 calls per day and the average order of your customer, depending on the business that you have, but you add that up 3 per day times 365, and that's like 1,000 orders that you just missed because you couldn't get to the phone in time. It is insane. Why do you still have a human being answering the phone? There's no reason for us to do this anymore because AI voice is completely capable now of replacing humans. But here's where it gets even more painful or rewarding for that matter, for those that are jumping on board with voice AI. Your receptionist or your sales team, they're spending 4 to 6 hours every single day just answering basic repetitive phone calls. I don't think that's the best use of their time. And if you're paying them an average of $20 per hour, you're burning $24,000 per year on tasks that could be completely automated. And our system that you can get with this voice AI capability and everything else for your business, $297 a month. It's a no-brainer if you do that math. So this is exactly why the AI employee feature that we just rolled out with Go High Level is an absolute game changer. Imagine having an AI voice assistant that never takes a lunch break, never calls in sick, can handle unlimited calls simultaneously. Did you know that AI could do that? It can literally be talking to 500 people at the same time. What would that do for your business? It works 24/7, 365, costs a fraction of a human employee, and it is just absolutely incredible. So let me show you exactly how this works. I've got my dashboard pulled up here, and I'm going to show you where. So this is our platform, LeadStorm AI. We've got voice AI agents right in here, and this is one that we created just as a test for our business called Storm. You can name the agent whatever you want. If you want to call it, statistically, I think like Taylor is the most popular name for a receptionist or a voice AI person. So you want to call them Taylor, go for it. If you want them to sound like they're in the UK or they're young and hip or whatever, Australian accent, like any accent that you want, you can give them that type of a voice. And then right now it just works for inbound calls, but pretty soon we're about to add, Go High Level is about to add outbound calls, which is going to be pretty exciting because think about it. If you're running ads for your business, and we all say this thing in marketing called speed to lead. If you're not answering or calling somebody like seconds, if not a minute after they fill out a form, click on an ad or something like that, they're out the door. So now outbound calls are going to be able to follow up and call all of these leads that are coming into your business. It's pretty stinking awesome. So once you've selected your agent and their voice and their accent, whatever, we give background information. So now this is probably where this is most often where I lose people. Matt, I've never built an AI agent. I'm not a programmer. I don't know how to do all that stuff. Look, it used to be, again, like you wind the clock 6 months ago, 12 months ago, and it was a little bit challenging to build these AI agents. Now, if you know how to use ChatGPT with your phone, you can program an AI agent, either through chat or a voice agent like this. So right in here, you see the word prompt. This is just like prompting ChatGPT. Now, this is the cool thing, and I teach people to do this all the time. Use AI to speak to AI. If you don't know what prompt to give ChatGPT or Claude AI, which is my favorite tool for the past few months, just say, hey, here's who I am, here's my business, here's who I serve, and here's the outcome that I'm looking for. What would be the perfect prompt for me to give to you to accomplish this task or perform this outcome? And it's going to say, okay, cool, here you go. And it'll give you all the information, copy, paste that whole giant prompt in here for your business. Now, the other thing is that I hear all the time is, Matt, what if the AI voice agent, it doesn't know my business? How does it know what to say about my business? What if I update something that I haven't added to the website or whatever? So AI is as good as 2 specific things. your ability to talk to it, which we know is prompting, and number two, the knowledge that it has. So you can upload company documents, your website, any video training that you've done before, courses, books, like my shameless plug, LinkedIn Advantage book that I just launched. You give it all of that knowledge, and the AI voice agent, either chat or voice, is going to reference all of that knowledge and use that in the conversation. So there's no more, what if it messes up and sells somebody something that I don't actually do? It's not going to happen. It's impossible. And aside from that, with the specified knowledge, you can give AI guardrails. So you can say, if somebody says this, then you should respond this way. If they say this, then there should be an escalation protocol. That means red flag. They should probably call me personally so I can handle it. You can put all of that stuff in here so AI knows if it should transfer the call, or it should trigger a workflow to add them into your funnel or send them your offer, or if it should update the contact field because they just celebrated a birthday, or send a text message with a link to your book or whatever you got. So AI can understand these are the guardrails and it can take action on that. So it is easy. We are building these things like 5 to 10 minutes. We can have an AI agent completely built. So it is unbelievable how easy now it is to roll out these agents for businesses. So here's what I'm going to do. We're coming to the end of 2024. I'm looking for businesses that want to level up with AI and use some of this technology. It doesn't matter what business you have. You could have franchises. You could be in a consulting business, a coach, an ice cream shop. It doesn't matter. If you are taking phone calls, and who isn't, or you're texting your customer, get this technology. I will implement it for free. We'll do a strategy and launch a campaign for free, and we're going to get you a license to LeadStorm at a very affordable rate. The other things that I built inside of LeadStorm AI and why I kind of packaged it as my own is because we've added some functionality that, again, is not native to Go High Level. This component called social outreach is all LinkedIn automation, 700 million contacts in here that you can list build, video personalization, some really cool tech. If your company, your ideal company or client is on LinkedIn, there's 60 million businesses on LinkedIn. I've grown brands around the world. I've grown my own business by marketing on LinkedIn. Then this is for you. It's amazing how powerful this technology is. So we've got a bunch of goodies in here. AI employees are here. Reach out to me and let me know if you're interested in us building out these agents for your business. And I am excited. 2025 is going to be an incredible year, but only for those that set themselves up for success. So my name is Matt Kretzman, founder of LeadStorm AI and Stormbreaker Digital. I'll see you guys later.